National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Nelson County in central Kentucky, northwestern Greene County in central Kentucky, southeastern LaRue County in central Kentucky, southwestern Marion County in central Kentucky, Hart County in central Kentucky, northwestern Taylor County in central Kentucky, south central Washington County in central Kentucky, north central Barron County in south central Kentucky, southeastern Edmonson County in south central Kentucky until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles south of Hodgenville to 10 miles southwest of Munfordville, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Munfordville around 4:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Nelson County in central Kentucky, northwestern Greene County in central Kentucky, southeastern LaRue County in central Kentucky, southwestern Marion County in central Kentucky,